This is Terry from the Builderall team, and in this training video, we're going to talk all about SEO optimization. We're going to learn how to optimize our layout for SEO, optimize our page for SEO. We're also going to optimize all of our images for SEO. We're going to optimize at least one H1 headline for SEO. And we're going to learn to use Builderall's wonderful on-page SEO report tool. So let's check it out and get started. Here we are on our website, and now we're going to talk about the several ways that you can affect search engine optimization. Now, what is search engine optimization? It's how well your page ranks on the search engines. And we're going to do whatever we can to get this page to rank as high as we can on the Google search engine. There's several ways you can do that, and the first way is to affect the layout. So we're going to come up here and we're going to go to our layout and click on the layout card, go to settings, and here is where we're going to add information to optimize this layout to rank higher on Google. The very first thing we're going to talk about is here is name our layout with a keyword sensitive term. In the title is where you would name your layout using your keyword. And in this case, if fruit shop is our keyword, we would name this layout, this specific layout, fruit shop. Down here in the description, that's keyword sensitive, so you would want to use fruit shop in the description. You're going to definitely put your keyword in here. Here's where you add meta tags, which can affect your ranking on Google. Down here is where you can add scripts, which will help you analyze your page and help you rank better. So there are several ways just on the layout alone where you can optimize your page to rank better. So once you've made all your changes to this card, don't forget to hit save and then come over here and hit the big save too. We'll close out of our layout card, and now we're going to go back to the page icon and come down here to our home page. Click on settings. We have several areas that are keyword sensitive here on our page card as well. Our name is SEO sensitive. Our address is SEO sensitive. Of course, the title of our page is SEO sensitive. The description is SEO sensitive, and you definitely need to put your keywords down here in keywords. That's one of the most important places to make sure you have the keywords that you're wanting to rank for on the search engines. So you need to pay plenty of attention to this information here, get it properly optimized for your search engines, and then again, click the little save, and then come over here and click the big save. The next thing that we need to look at, we want to make sure that we have at least one H1 headline using our keyword on our page. So if you go to your page, we can activate this title in our top banner, right click, activate the text box, and you can see right here we have an H1 title in this title on our top banner. What we would want to make sure we do is use our keyword in this title. That will help you rank better on the search engines. So you want to make sure on all your pages that you have at least one H1 headline using your keyword. Let's close out of this now, because the next area that we want to talk about optimizing for SEO is an often overlooked area. Sometimes we get so excited when we're building websites and putting our images and our content in the site, we often overlook this critical area in optimizing for great ranking on the search engines, and that's our images. We're going to want to optimize all of our images for ranking on the search engines. And to do that, we need to find all of our images. Let's go up here to the logo. That's an image. Right click. We're going to come down here, find Edit Image Title. Click on that. And in this top field, if our keyword is fruit shop, we would want to put at least fruit shop in there. You might want to identify it as fruit shop logo, but make sure you get your keyword in there. And then I'm going to copy this, and I'm also going to insert the same keyword down here in our alt image. Confirm, and then of course save it. And you'll want to do that for all the images on your page. This is an image, this is an image, this is an image, all of your icons. You can scroll down here. We have an image here. Keep scrolling. We have 1, 2, 3, 6 images here. Come down to the bottom. We have another logo image in the footer. You'll definitely want to make sure you edit the titles on all of those images to contain your keyword. And that's going to boost your rankings on your search engines. The next thing we're going to talk about is Builderall's awesome app, the SEO Report tool. So we're going to head over to Apps on our Builderall desktop and take a look at the SEO Optimization Report tool. Here we are on Builderall's SEO on-page report tool. We're going to learn how to use this to get your site ranking very quickly. If you come down here to this field, keyword, and we're going to just put in our fruit shop. Over here, I've copied the link, the live link to our website, and I'll paste it in here. And then you send it, and it brings up this report. Now remember, we just published this website, and so it hasn't really had time to propagate, and we haven't fully optimized it, so I've gotten an F. But the important thing to know is that even if you get an F, this tool will give you an amazing amount of information to change that very quickly. You can see, even though we have just begun this, we have check marks here on sections on our report. And then we are missing some check marks on others. Let's put in Builderall, and for our link, we'll just put in Builderall's link and send it. So now we get a report, and it only gave us a B. That means we have some things we can change. Here we have an overview of what these factors are and where we need the most work. And really, right now, it looks like we have excellent on moderate relevance factors. But we can scroll down here, and we have check marks here on these sections. But we can also open these sections up by clicking on Read More, and this is where it will tell us exactly what we need to do to make changes to this page and rank better on the search engines. So it's valuable information. So we can scroll down here, and anytime we have a missing check mark, we can find out what we need to do. For example, avoid keyword stuffing in the document. So that gives us explicit directions on what we need to do to improve our site. So I encourage you to use this tool and get your pages ranked higher in the search engines for your websites. Here in the last video of our Build a Website series, we've learned a lot about optimizing our page to rank it higher on the search engines. We learned how to optimize a layout for SEO. We optimized our page for SEO as well. We learned how important it is to optimize all of our images for SEO, and we made certain we had at least one H1 headline on our page optimized for SEO. Then we took a look at Builderall's amazing on-page SEO report tool and learned how to use it so we can optimize all the pages we build and rank better in any of the search engines. I hope you've enjoyed this Build a Website series, and I look forward to seeing you again in another training video.